ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार, सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की। ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार।
दूसरे सालगिरह के उपलक्ष्य में आप दोनों को शुभकामनाएं। जुग जुग जियो, हमेशा खुश रहो।
प्रियानुश्री
शादी की दूसरी सालगिरह की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं, खूब आनंद उठाओ।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, जुग जुग जियो हमारा जमाई राज जी, जुग जुग जियो हमारे पीरल पोती लाडली।
Happy anniversary, Priyal and Kavarsa. May God bless you both.
Happy quarantine wala anniversary Didi Jeju. I hope you have a memorable one and you get all the joy in your upcoming life. And as you grow older, the love in you grows older as well. Happy anniversary once again Didi Jeju. Tata.
Happy wedding anniversary. God bless you. Khush raho.
Wonderful wishes to both.
हेलो कंवरसा एंड प्रियल, शादी की सालगिरह बहुत बहुत बधाई हो।
Hi Priyal and Kavarsa, happy anniversary. God bless you both. All your wishes be fulfilled in life.
Hi Vikasa, Priyal, wish you a happy second wedding anniversary. We will be both togetherness so happy. And ये साल तो 2 जने हैं, next year we will see you 3. So
Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal.
May your life be filled with joy and happiness forever.
Bye.
आप दोनों सलामत रहे, सबके दिल में ये अरमान है।
Hi Vikube and Priyal, wish you second wedding anniversary and enjoy.
दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ऐ मेरी है यार।
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal.
Congratulations to both of you to enter a new phase of life. Wishing you a lot of happiness and love. Bye.
Happy to you.
Vikas Chachu. Vikas Chachu.
Happy to you.
Priyal Chachi.
In Tati Abu.
Love you.
No.
Love you करना no नहीं
No.
flop. Happy anniversary Priyal and Vikas ji.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal.
तू बोल happy to you.
Happy to you.
Vikas ji.
Happy to you.
Vikas Chachu.
Tatu.
Priyal Chachi.
In Tati happy to you.
Love you बोल रहा।
Happy anniversary Bhaiya and Bhabhi. May your days be filled with
love,
joy and happiness.
Hi Vikas and Priyal, wishing you both a very happy wedding anniversary. Stay blessed.
Happy anniversary
Priyal and Vikas ji.
Happy anniversary both of you.
May all your days be filled with love, joy and happiness. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary Bua and Pupasa for Kaira side.
Anniversary Priyal Bua and Vikas Pupasa.
Happy anniversary Priyal and Vikas ji.
गुड्डू, कंवरसा, a very happy anniversary guys. वैसे तो happy and anniversary are oxymoron, but it fits perfectly well for you guys, as it's so evident that how happy you guys are together. I wish everything what you guys have desired for come true at the earliest, and may each candle which you guys have been adding every year on this cake may bring you more peace, more smiles and more prosperity. Keep smiling and keep spreading here. Happy anniversary guys. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one.
Wish you a very 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 happy anniversary Vikas ji and Priyal ji. Stay happy, stay safe. Love you loads. Sabhi.
Hi Priyal Didi, wish you happy anniversary.
anniversary. Have a wonderful life together. God bless you.
Hi Priyal and Vikasa, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Wishing you many more happy years of togetherness. God bless you both.
डियर प्रियल और विकास सा, शादी की दूसरी सालगिरह पर बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Happy anniversary Priyal and Kanwar Saab.
Happy anniversary Priyal ji and Kanwar Saab. God bless you.
Always be happy Priyal and Kanwar Saab.
Happy anniversary
Priyal and Vikasa. Wishing you many more years of togetherness. Stay blessed.
Happy wedding anniversary, Vikasa and Priyal Bua.
May the love that you have for each other continue to grow and blossom each passing year. Vikasa and Priyal, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Stay safe, stay home.
Hi guys, happy anniversary.
Wishing you two many more years of fun and adventure together.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Wish you a very
Happy anniversary.
Vikas ji and Priyal Didi.
Have fun and enjoy your day.
#Priyal.
Happy anniversary.
Aarti Didi and Vikas ji too.
May you have the best anniversary this lockdown.
We love you.
डियर आरती एंड विकासा, शादी की सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आपका प्यार यूं ही बढ़ता रहे, हर दिन नए नए सपने दिखाए. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी.
Dear Aarti and Vikasa, wish you many happy returns of the day. May this year brings joy and success in your life, and may the care and support for each other grows with each coming year.
Happy anniversary, both of you.
Happy anniversary Vikas ji and Priyal. God bless you. Have a great day.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी प्रियल. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी कंवर साहब, कैसे हो? हैव अ ग्रेट डे.
Happy anniversary Priyal Didi and Vikas ji. Have a great day.
Hi. May the love you have for each other continue to grow and blossom with each passing year. Happy anniversary Priyal and Vikasa.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी प्रियल जी एंड विकास जी.
We are all missing you.
Hello Aarti.
Happy anniversary Aarti Vikasa.
Happy anniversary sir.
Hi, wish you very happy quarantine anniversary Priyal and Vikas ji. Enjoy your day. Bye. Take care.
Happy anniversary Didi and Juju.
Have a great quarantine anniversary.
Stay blessed. Hope to meet you soon.
Love you lots.
Take care. Bye.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal.
Happy anniversary. Stay blessed.
Have lots of fun.
Happy anniversary, Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary, Vikas Priyal.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary baby. Got you on my mind. Happy anniversary baby. Got you on my
Happy anniversary, Vikas and Priyal.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal. Love you guys. Take care. Congratulations and celebrations. Bye bye.
Hi Priyal.
Hi Vikas.
Happy 2 years Privek.
And to my favorite couple, happy anniversary guys. Much love.
Hi Privek. Congratulations on completing another wonderful year of falling in love with each other. Happy anniversary you two. Love you both.
Wishing you a happy anniversary.
Hope you have an amazing day and a blissful year ahead.
And hope you
you can
guys
turn to 2 to 3 very soon.
Happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal. May God bless you both. Stay happy forever together.
Hey guys, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Vikas and Priyal.
Be happy always together.
And give good news soon, guys.
Hi Vikas. Hi Priyal. Happy anniversary.
Wish you a happy anniversary Vikas and Priyal.
Hi Priyal and Vikas.
Wish you a very happy anniversary guys.
Enjoy.
Party hard.
Hi. Hi Vikas and Priyal. Happy anniversary. You guys are really lucky because Rishabh is the one who is bringing and coordinating everyone and bringing us together. So yeah, treat me soon.
Stay in touch. You know I'm foodie. I can eat anything you give me. Yeah, lots of love. Bye.
Hi Vikash and Priyal, wishing you both a very very happy wedding anniversary. May you both live long together forever. Wishing you all the joy, love and happiness of marriage career. Take care.
Hi Vikash and Priyal, congratulations on your wedding anniversary. Such a beautiful day to remind that you are a match made in heaven. Wishing you an eternity full of love and happiness, understanding, it goes on and on. Wishing you all the very best for your future. Have lots of fun on this beautiful day. Bye.